lang ha. Okay, next tayo. On the go dress. Size po, pwedeng pang simba ha. Pwede rin po sa buntis. Napakaganda ng kulay. Size po nito is large. This is large on tag po ha. Size large. Ano to? Piper. Pang medium to XL kay. Ay medium, sorry. Large to extra large po ha. 1,480. 1,480. Code ako dito ng, pa-code ako dito ng gorgeous. Code is gorgeous, pa-code ako ng gorgeous. Code is gorgeous, pa-code ako ng gorgeous. Napaka-comfy. Pwede po ito sa buntis ha. Napakalambot ng tela. Napaka-comfy po ng tela niya ha. Code is gorgeous. Large to XL, this is large to XL. Large on tag, size 12 po ha. Code ako dito gorgeous.
Mind social daw, si Ma'am Shanti A. Go.
Madam Shanti, ganda nito. Mine Shanti to. Yours na, Madam Shanti. This is super nice. Yours na to. Mine
How much
Shanti
si Gorgeous
to.
P?
Gorgeous is 1,480 lang po. 1,000. Tuwa talaga si si Jo, tuwang-tuwa birthday. Pinis eh.
Kaya muntik masubsob.
Oh my gosh. Bebe ko, another must have. Medium hanggang extra large magkakasya ha. Pwede mo po itong lakihan ha. Pwedeng lakihan to ha. Nakaano lang siya, nakaganyan. Tapos, super nice. Napakaganda. Okay, 1,480. 1,480. Code ako dito ng pink. Code is pink. Pa-code ako ng pink. 1,480. Code ako dito ng pink. Code is pink. Pa-code ako ng pink. Napakaganda sisi ko. Ayan po.
Sis, may black
1,000.
minis pa?
Black minis.
Marami.
Yes, napakadami. Sorry sis. Okay, nakalimutan ko. May minis pa pala ako. 1,480. 1,480. Code ako dun ng, ano ba yan? Ah,